Silver has once again seen a bearish move for the week, achieved 2330 and shown a very good recovery, closing at around 2385 levels. Now, is this the beginning of a next drop, and can we expect it to trade bearish to achieve the bottom here at 22, or we can see a reversal from here? Which position you should take in order to profit trading silver next week, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy and level. Do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis daily. I do share the updates and targets for silver, first with the Asia session, next with the US session on a day-to-day basis. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, look at the weekly charts. It triple bottom here at $18. You can see a rise, then a retracement for 20, then a rise for 26. Now 18 to 24, this is almost $6, a retracement for $4 here, then a rise for $6. Now if you see a retracement of $4, $22 is going to be the great support which one can look forward to if it continues its journey on the downside. Now remember, this is the second wave which is in creation. Here we can see first wave here, then this is the retracement, then the rise, consolidation, and this is the second wave which is in creation here. Now earlier we have seen this zone as a very good consolidation zone, and hence it is also a very good support zone for silver for now. Hence till 2280 and 2450. Just mark out this box, 2280 and 2450. This zone one should watch out for. Any move beyond 2450 is going to bring it again till 2480, 25, and beyond this it should be considered for a reversal. If it stays above 25, you can say that silver has turned bullish and it is going to fly high. Now if you look at the weekly charts also, you'll find even if it tries to retrace for next couple of weeks, 25, 25.50 is going to be the next strongest resistance, because it has started the downward journey and there is a possible retracement before it looks forward to a downward move again. This is the first part. Second part here is the previous candle has a very small wick and a very big tail out there, and also it is preceded by a very sharp bearish candle. Hence, first thing is, if it stays below 2360 levels next week, there is a possibility that it can stretch for 23, and if it draws below 23, the candle size is going to be equally big. What we had seen here, 24 to 25.70 levels, almost $1.7, and if you see 23.8 to, you can say, $1.7, which means 2.2, which is also the bottom. So it can possibly accelerate the bearishness and achieve those levels in a very quick manner. Then consolidate here at 22 before looking forward to rise if it continues to stay bullish. That is on the weekly charts now here. Also, one more observation on the weekly charts here is, look at the rise here from 2020, then this pole and flag, and this time it has definitely given a breakout. A breakout is always a decisive direction which one takes, and this time silver has taken it, and hence even if it breaks till 22 or $20 levels, still this is going to turn bullish and this is going to fly high again. I will be definitely looking forward to 30, but beyond that is also possible in near future, in or maybe a little longer future, a little distant future. So you should definitely watch out for. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. See, on the daily chart too, similar is the formation here, double top and then this drop. It has come back to this consolidation zone. This is definitely a very good support. Now let's have a look at the last few candles. You can find out, see, the last candle in the last week was it tried to show you reversal, however failed to break past the highs of the channel. This is the bearish channel here. Hence any move above 24, you can expect 24.20, 24.50 levels, and any move beyond 24.50 should take it till towards 24.80 and 25 levels. A retracement till here is possible before it looks over to any downward move. See, it is trying to consolidate here. The previous two candles were higher highs, higher lows, and on the downside, I will wait for it to break past 2350 again, which will be a confirmation of the bearishness there. Hence, in between 2350, 2420 levels, we have to be exercising extra caution there. Though we can take an entry and I'll tell you at what levels you should buy and sell, but this should be the more or less consolidation zone or caution zone for us for next week. That is 2350 for 2420 and 2350 levels. Now look at the daily chart. Similar is the reflection here, but after forming double top in its journey to downward move, possibly can try to take till towards $22 levels. Also, same observation on the daily charts, you'll find the support here on the daily charts. Now look at the monthly chart. Also, one more observation we had on the weekly chart, monthly charts and weekly charts is 2280, 22 and 2450, or rather 25 larger consolidation or swing zone which exist here. Now let me show you why. Now this is the monthly charts here. You can see almost double top. See, the opening was flat, lower lows are done here, and possibly it can try to close the month at around 20 levels, which is also indicative that it can try to retrace a little on the upside before getting a pullback here on the downside and closing at around 24. 8 trading sessions are left, and hence either we could see a sideways movement or a potential retracement before looking forward to a downward move towards the end of the month. This is first observation. Second observation, it can form identical candles, and then next month it can try to take it a little down. How far it can stretch? It can come down till towards 22. And now look, interestingly on the monthly chart, the slope is different what we saw on the weekly and daily charts. Now this is the slope here. Now on the monthly charts also for next month, $22 levels are going to be the support here. Possibility exists that if not this month, next month these levels might get achieved before it looks forward to a reversal for an up move here. Till $20 levels, I will not consider silver as bearish for the near term. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the indicators if the indicators are also speaking the same language. But before that, one more observation on the monthly charts which I had showed you is, see the rise there, the retracement, and silver has seen a breakout. This breakout should sustain. Even if it tries to retrace, it will continue in this bullish channel for a little while from here. Hence, do not consider silver at least till $20 levels. It can show you very big massive moves on the upside in the coming few months. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. And if you look at the indicators on the monthly, now indicators on the monthly chart, see the 20 months average right now situated at around 2250 levels. Very good support here from the 20 months average, and then 22 definitely a very good support. Also it traded near the top of the Bollinger Bands. It can try to retrace a little towards the median here. Now on the monthly charts also, if you find the stochastic, this was overbought here, it has dropped a little, still trying to trade in the comfortable levels but very near to the overbought zone. Now see the MACD on the hourly chart. See, it has crossed over here in 2020 during the COVID era, traded with extreme bullishness, and then this sharp slump. Now it has come back to same levels here. It has crossed over again, and it is still trading with divergence, possibly a little conversion here before it looks forward to an upward move. So now what we can expect here is like this before it looks forward to an upward move again. See, possibility exists that it has seen the bottom and it can continue with the bullish move from here. Also, if you look at the RSI, this is trading in a comfortable zone, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the weekly charts. Now see, on the weekly charts, silver dropped till towards the 20 period simple and exponential moving average at around 2320, 2330, 2340 here. This is again going to be a good support because below that it is directly going to land at 2280, 2250, and in fact $22 levels can be expected. Now moving averages have started to flatten here, or possibly they can try to converge. Now see, it traded outside, or you can say with the divergence from the moving averages have converged, in fact dropped below this. It traded outside with a extreme divergence from the moving averages. Now it has converged, and it can converge further, consolidate here at the bottom and reverse from there. So this is where what we had seen there on the monthly charts also. Stochastic was overbought. It has seen a good drop. And if you look at MACD, see MACD is now willing for a second crossover. See the candle size here diminished, and the bullishness has also equally diminished here. Though the highs here were different, right now if you look at potentially -100 to +100, the journey is done, and potentially it can show you a retracement in the next few weeks. RSI is also dropped a bit on the weekly charts. Now look at the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, see after this sharp bearish move, we have seen it consolidating here. I do expect a little retracement till 2450, and in fact it can try to reach, if it stays above 2450, there is all probability that we may see it hitting 2480, $25 levels. Definitely a very good support zone, resistance zone for now. Hence, if you see it trading above 24 next week, wait for 2420, then you can see it hitting 2450, 2480, 25, possibly achieving those retracement levels. Again, we can see a downward move. Now, what does that mean? See this, see this. Now, this is the retracement zone. In fact, 2480, $25 levels. It can retrace till here before looking forward to a downward move here. Now, why this could happen here is on the weekly charts, you can see, sorry, on the daily charts, you can see it was trading oversold, and hence a little recovery cannot be denied, which means 2450, 25, 2480 and $25 can be seen in near future. Now, stochastic there is also trading overbought, but candle size have flattened here. Possibility of a conversion exists high. Now you can see on the daily charts, and it can try to retrace a little. Even if it has to drop, it must retrace a little on the upside. Stochastic at that bottom, and it was slightly at a little oversold levels, but it has recovered on the daily charts. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably next week. And before we proceed, couple of observations, couple of points I would like to share here is, you can join our services. First service we offer is a training or mentorship service, where we educate you to observe, analyze the markets, and trade with confidence, take a right entry and right exit at the right time, and become a profitable and independent trader. You can join the 22nd batch, which starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our second service, which is a signal service, where you send daily signals and you can just trade as per the signals and make profit. Reach out to me for details on same, again on the same links, the Telegram channel and the email IDs. The last is a caution alert. Me or my social media handles, do not follow anyone, do not approach anyone with the first message. Remember, we will never, or I will never approach you for first with any of my messages. Second, we do not have any investment scheme, and I will never give you an assurance of a multifold return on a quick time. Please, any report to cybercrime, anyone who is approaching you first on his side, asking you for investment, asking you money, promising you false and fake returns, multifold returns in quick time, please report him immediately. And before investing or putting money, anytime, you should first discuss or put a message or email on the official media handles mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, fraudsters and scammers are abundant on this online channel, and hence please report everyone and each of them, and at least block them. Now let's start. See, first let's have a look at where to buy. I will recommend you to buy only if you see it trading at 2405. A little far away, but yes, this is silver. Nothing is far or near. 2420 is the next target. And if it stays above 2420, we can expect 2440, 2450 as the next resistance. Now, couple of key points: 2420, 2405, very good resistance. You should watch out for these levels. Yes, it may potentially retrace and there could be a little rise. You should expect, see, 2450, very good resistance. This is the next level you should watch out for. Beyond this, you can expect 2475 plus minus 5 there, 2470, 2480, very good resistance there, and then 25. Now I don't see silver trading above 25, but yes, if it trades above, it is going to again hit 2520 and 2550 levels on the upside, the favorite resistances. So even if it tries to retrace, at max I will expect it to get the resistance till 2520 in the near future. Even if it tries to retrace strongly, these levels are going to be the next toughest resistances. Mark out those circled levels. Keep booking profit at each and every level and keep retracing, keep shifting your stop loss to these levels at least, so that you can book your profits. Now on the sell side, I will recommend you to sell here at 23 75, expect 2360, 2340, and then 2320. Till here, very good support exists for silver. If you see it breaking below 2320, though we may see 23 as an intermittent support, however, I will look forward to 2280 levels directly. This is going to be the next support zone and a very good support zone, because below that we can see it is hitting for 2250 and 22 levels in a very quick move. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join a mentorship at Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.